So Liu Yang and Scott, we were going through the worksheet that was designated for this lesson. Okay, so we're just starting on the grammar MCQ. So just now, Scott was in the midst of letting us know why he chose C as the answer. So maybe you can explain why you chose C?
Because the keyword is yesterday.
Very good. So I hope you highlighted or bracketed yesterday. What tense is yesterday in? Is it past tense or present tense?
Past tense.
Past tense. Good. So you can put past behind. Okay. Hi, Liu Yang.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Have you done your worksheets for this week?
No.
No? Okay. Never mind. We can do it together now. Okay. So
I
we're
think
on question.
I think she's a new student.
Okay. So do you have your worksheets with you
No,
for lesson
I
4?
don't have.
Okay, we give you some time to find them, okay?
I don't have my worksheet. Because usually when I do the class, when we see on the computer and then beside the join now class, right, there is one button that says results and worksheet. So usually we can see how many questions and we will see the how like we will do the questions on computer. So that's why I don't have the worksheet with me.
I see. Okay. It's okay if you don't have the worksheet. I think what's important is that we go through the questions so we know what the answers are on the screen, and then we can take note of why we chose that answer. Because what's important is that we need to understand why we choose certain things and not the actual answer. Okay? All right. So Liu Yang, since you didn't also do the worksheet yet, we can just go through them and then maybe we take turns, yeah? So Scott reads one and then Liu Yang, you read one and give your answer. Then we find out why we chose the answer. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, great. So Liu Yang, you want to read the second question and choose an answer? So Ben, can see my screen, right? So you can read Ben, panicked.
Ben panicked and he realized that his
Wallet.
wallet was missing.
Okay, so you chose and, is it? The first one, A? Okay, so can anyone tell me when to use the word and? When do we normally use and? Okay, Scott, when do you use and?
When we are joining two things together, like apple and pear, or like a computer and a wallet, like that.
Okay, great. Yeah, so normally when we are joining two things together in a sentence, we use the word and. So I like to eat peanut butter and jelly sandwich, right? So you join two things together. Okay, when do we normally use but? So yeah, so Liu Yang, when do you normally use the word but? I'm hungry, but I'm lazy. What does that mean? You're hungry, but yeah, Scott?
When it's unexpected.
When it's like two opposite things. Okay?
It's unexpected.
Yes. Okay. So maybe I was hungry, so I should eat, right? But then I'm lazy, so I don't eat because I didn't get it. So we use the word but. Okay. What about the word then? When do you use then? Like I went to school, then I went home. What does that mean? Right. So I went to school, then I went home. So what do you do first?
First and after. This is after that.
What does it mean? So I went to school, then I went home. So which thing did you do first? You go home first or you went to school first?
I went to school first.
You went to school, right? Then
Oh.
after that, you went home.
Yes.
Ben is talking about a sequence. So something happens, then the next thing happens. So we use that. Okay? Oh, there's one more person trying to enter. Let's see.
Ooh.
Hi, Ash. Hi, Ash. Hello. Okay, your mic is connecting, so we can't hear you yet.
Hello.
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 Hi. Okay, your mic is still connecting.
First class.
Okay, yes, we can hear you now. Nice. So we have 3 people in today's class, Scott, Liu Yan, and Ash. Okay, so we were going through the questions. Right now we're doing question 2. Okay, so can anyone tell me when we use the word when?
When we use the word
When do you use the word when? Have you guys ever used the word when before?
Yes, a lot of time.
Yeah, when is my TV show coming on, right? When. So it refers to time, right? So when are you going to do this refers to the time, okay? So Ben panicked when he realized his wallet was missing. So at that time, he realized it's missing, so he starts panicking, okay? The answer is D. Got it?
I think in the computer worksheet, I think I put C. I think.
Okay, Ben panicked, then he realized his wallet was missing, means that he panicked first. Then he's like, oh, my wallet lost. But that's not right, right? You realize it's missing, then you're like, oh no, it's lost. So it's a sequence. Okay? All right, Ash, can you read the third question with your answer that you want to choose? You can unmute yourself. Okay, let me ask you to unmute.
I like to write short stories in my free time.
Okay, great. So you chose the first one, right? Okay, why do you choose write? Any reason?
Because it says in my free time.
Okay, so the main word that you need to look at is this word. What is this word? Can everyone read this word that's highlighted? To. So whenever you see the word to, the next word must be the root word. So cannot have ing, cannot have ed, cannot have all the other words.
I thought it's called the base form.
Yes, the base form or the root word. Okay. So I like to running. Can you say that? I like to running. No, right? Sounds weird. I like to ran. Cannot. Okay, so I like to run. So because of the to, you have the root word or the base word. All right, good job. Okay, Scott, can you read number 4 for me and your answer?
Sheila smiled when she when she realized that she scored full marks for her mathematics exam.
Okay, when. So why do you choose when? So did she smile first and then she get 100 marks, or she get 100 marks then she smile?
She got 100 marks, then she smiled.
Great. So she got 100 marks, then she smiled, right? So
Yes.
that's about a time. So that's why we choose when. Okay?
Yes.
Good job, guys. Liu Yan, you want to read next one? Ravine likes. Ravine likes.
Raven likes to
Read news
Articles?
article in his free time.
Good. So is Ravin a boy or a girl, you think?
A boy.
Boy, because of his free time. Yes, so it's read. Okay, so why is it read? Because we look at the word. Which word do we look at?
Two.
Two. Good. Remember, if it's two, we use the root form or the base form. Same as question 3 here. Okay, good job. Okay, question 6. Ash, you want to read the next one?
The black pen belongs to him.
Good. Okay, can anyone tell me when we use the word versus n?
Next.
When do we use n? Yes, Scott?
We only use N when the starting letter is A, E, I, O, and U.
Good. So these are all vowels, right? So when it's a vowel, you use the word n. Then if it's not a vowel, you use the
Then
word
you use
a. Okay? But here, we use the word the. Okay. What's the difference between the versus a?
The versus O.
So pass me the ball. Pass me a ball. What's the difference? Or is it the same? Pass me the ball. Pass me a ball.
Pass me a ball, pass me the ball.
Anybody knows?
I think is when it's it's only one thing. When it's the, it's also one thing. But
Yeah,
the
so both are
ball
one thing.
the ball is more specific. Is more specific than O.
Yes, good. So when we know exactly what we want, we use the. Okay? When we don't know, then we use a. Yeah, not specific. Okay, so look in front of you. You'll see your pen, right? So will you say
Yeah.
pass me the pen or pass me a pen?
Pass me the pen.
Because you want that specific pen right in front of you. So you say the. Okay, everybody clear on this?
Yep.
Yeah, Ash, Luyan, yeah, okay?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Let's go to the next question. Can the next person read his favorite?
Who?
Who read last? I think it's,
Me.
yeah, I think it's you, Scott. His favorite? Can you read the sentence, Scott?
Me?
Yes.
Okay. His favorite subject in school is
What's that word?
D.
Yes, it's mathematics. Okay, so mathematics is a subject. All of you learn math in school, right? So that's why it's mathematics. So there's no need for another word inside. Okay, so none of the above. All right, let's go to Yuyan. Can you read next one? Some people.
Some people believe that
Aliens. Aliens exist. Does anyone know what is an alien?
the
How do aliens look like, do you think?
Aliens can be anything.
Okay, so you can see my screen, right? So if I go online, this is what people think aliens look like this, right? But we've never seen an alien, so we don't know. Okay, but this is what people think they look like. All right, so some people believe that aliens exist. So you're right, there's no other word is needed here. Okay. Okay, Ash, can you read the next one?
I think for the aliens I put the.
That the aliens, but aliens is many, right? So it cannot be the. Okay, Ash, you want to read the next one, my class?